This is my very first printer, you know.
And my name is, and I am Nicholas's friend, and my name is Milan.
Let's go in again.
Let's open it. Oh,
Here.
oh my god.
There's a check.
Here's the filament. Whoa.
Show me. Wow.
Okay, now we got the actual printer then. So,
Sorry.
I can't. Oh, where is it? I need to see it.
Stay a second.
Okay, oh, I'll open it.
Sure. The same photo camera you should use.
Look at
Look at the base plate. Oh, I don't know what it's called. But... Oh, it's it.
How much?